My son Joel recently had the honor of placing the very first Mercedessource sticker on my red 380 SL. Now I get the honor of placing the first small black sticker on my 1999 recently acquired SL 500. Now before I put the sticker on there, I also had to change the license plate, get the new license plate from the DMV, but I decided, hey, if I'm going to put a sticker right there, I need to detail out the back end of this car, so I went to work doing some detailing, particularly on the rubber and plastic back here, which was kind of faded. Of course, if I'm going to install a new license plate and I'm going to put the sticker here, I need to deal with some of this other not so attractive issues, and that includes this faded plastic piece. And I'll even polish the taillights with acrylic works. But first, let's see what we can do with this plastic trim. If you haven't seen my video already on how to detail this aged black plastic and rubber, I'll put a link below this video so you know what I'm using here. But I'm just going to wipe this off so you can see the difference between here and here. And notice I've got a clean rag here. All right, let's rub. So you see what I'm doing is I'm removing that dead layer of plastic. And now when I add protectant, at least it's going to stay looking good. All right, look at the difference between that and that. So I'll finish this up, and then I'll come back and we'll install the new Mercedessource sticker. So now you can see why this strip here looks so nice. I also spent the time detailing out the rubber trunk seal right here. And both of these right now look brand new. Now I'm ready to put the sticker on there. I got to make sure it gets on there straight. I think Joel has a better eye than I have, because if I put that on there and it's crooked, you're not going to get it off. This is a very strong adhesive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a guide on there. And this might be helpful for any of you putting these type of window or bumper stickers on your car. I'm going to get my guide, I'm going to set it in place, so when I put the sticker on here, it's going to be straight. I like to use masking tape as my guide. I put it right at the top of where the sticker will be, and then I make sure the tape line is parallel to where you want the sticker to be. So this way I can kind of look at where I want it, let's say right, or maybe right there. Okay, move it up a little bit. Yeah, there's the body line, so I'm going to have the sticker just a little bit above the body line. Okay, now put the tape on. And I can peel that off. There's one other mark I'm going to need. I need to know where I'm going to put this on the center line. All right, now this is how I get the centering. Let's see. That's too far that way. That's too far this way. Let's say right. Maybe a little bit more this way. Yeah, you kind of take and get your spacing. Okay. So I'll just take and put a mark in the tape right where the center of the sticker goes. Now I've got to take my gloves off. Don't try to put these stickers on with gloves on. If you've tried that, you know why I'm laughing. I'm just going to wipe this surface down one more time. You don't want any grease, wax, any kind of film on this. I scrubbed this earlier with Dawn degreaser. Okay, now we're going to pull the sticker off. All right, now I'm holding the sticker like this. You can see why you don't want to use gloves. You can also see why if you didn't have some sort of guide, you'd stick it on there and you'd go, uh-oh. So I'm going to get back here. I'm going to center that up right there. I'm going to parallel it. And this sticker has a special breathing adhesive so you don't get air bubbles trapped. All right, now I can pull the tape back. My HAR 129 SL500 has been officially welcomed to the fleet.